Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply using array. Before we begin, don't forget, you can't just watch me, Miss Math, do it. In order to be a math master, you have to follow along with your paper and your pencil. And if Miss Math is going way too fast, don't be afraid to press the pause button. And when you're ready, press play. And most importantly, don't you forget, you got this. Our problem of the day is 5 groups of 3. We need to use an array to make 5 groups of 3. But before we do that, we must understand 2 keywords here. The first word I want you to write down is row. An array has rows, and a row goes from left to right, side to side, right? So we're going to say row. And I want you to do this with me. Everyone say row. Okay, so a row goes from left to right, side to side, horizontally, okay? Our rows are also our groups, okay? That helps us with our grouping, okay? That helps us with our groups, okay? And then we also have columns. A column goes, C-O-L-U-M-N. A column is up and down, so vertically, okay? So everyone say column. A column is vertical, up and down. So we can draw a column like so. 2 keywords when you're talking about arrays are rows and columns. Step 1, let's make an array. Remember, we need 5 groups of 3. So 5 groups. When I look at my notes here, right, I see that a row is a group. How many groups do I need? 5. How many are in each group? 3. So 3 is going to be the size of each group. It says it needs 5 groups of 3. A row is a group. So let's start with 1, right? I have 1 circle here. I need 3 in each group. How many groups do I have so far? Only 1, because remember, a row is a group. I only have 1 row of 3. I need how many? 5. Let's add another row. 1, 2, 3. Because the size is 3, so 3 in each group. How many groups do I have so far? 2. How many do I need to get to? 5. So let's keep going. Let's add another row. Okay. Now I have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. But I really need 5. Remember, rows are groups. So we're going to have to add another one. So far, I have 4 rows of 3. Remember, the size is not going to change, okay? And let's add another one and see if we have 5 groups of 3. Let's double check here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many need to be in each group? 3. 5 groups of 3. Now, if you are unable to see the groups in your head, that's okay. Let's circle our groups. Here's 1 group, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, and 5 groups of 3. My array has shown me 5 groups of 3. Step 2, I'm going to skip count to help me find the total of this entire array. How do I do that? 1, 2, 3. I know the first group has 3, so I'm going to write a 3 on the side. Because each group has 3 inside, I can skip count like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Skip count going down, and I know that 15 is the total. How can I also double check the total? Count everything inside your array. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's how I got my total. Last but not least, step 3. For step 3, we're going to make a multiplication sentence. Something times something equals something. Now this first number, we have a factor times a factor equals our product, okay? So a factor times a factor equals the product. Now, one of our factors, let's go back to our problem or let's look at our array. One of our factors is going to be 5 because there are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. How many are in each group? 5 times 3, the size is 3, equals, remember our product is going to be our total. What is our total for this array? 5 times 3 equals 15. So we can write 15 as our product, okay? Once again, what did we do? 5 groups of 3. So 5 groups of 3 already tells us we're doing 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 equals the total of this array, which is 15. Product means the total of a multiplication problem. So our product here is 15.
Thank you, kids, for learning with Miss Math today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are still feeling stuck after watching my video, that is A-OK. Some topics take longer to fully understand, and you're in luck. Miss Math offers one-on-one tutoring, and your parent can book in the description box below. Or you can scan the QR code in 3, 2, 1,